Well, it's kind of nice that now we have these kind of cooler nights.
Right.
That's what differentiates the summer from the winter, even if the daytime temperatures are warm.
Remember that? Even in November, we were seeing that very humid, muggy conditions, but now things have changed. And still a little bit above average, but not bad with the lower humidity around. Big story is going to be the ice storm that's developing over the central U.S. Those are nasty storms. Anyways, a webcam showing a beautiful day today, and then clouds came in this afternoon. And then they cleared out of here just in time for a gorgeous sunset tonight. And I tell you, a lot of folks are sending pictures in as a result of that beautiful sunset. We had photos sent in from Siesta Key, Lido, all the way down into Venice. And there's just a few of them right here. South Jetty, Alan Mitchell capturing this with some folks out there on the jetty doing some fishing. And Siesta Key, Fred Taylor getting this one, another nice shot there. Just a light chop on the bays and inland water. Siesta Key, Paul Taylor showing this paddle boarder going by. It's a lot of fun. I've done that before out there. And this from Lido, Skip Ross getting this just as the sun was dipping below the horizon. Well, high pressure east of the state now is controlling our weather. It's not budging much. And in fact, this is going to be kind of interesting to see. This is high. It's not moving much over the next week. And the long-range forecast indicates not a lot of cold fronts headed our way. And this front right now is being held in check, and with this, we got this warm, moist air overriding the extreme cold conditions behind this front. We have an Arctic air mass there, and that's going to cause all sorts of headaches with freezing rain throughout that region. Well, Sarasota right now is 61 degrees, and as far as the current conditions go, we have clear skies. East winds are at 8 miles an hour. The pressure 30-29. And that continues to rise at this hour. Venice at 64. The high today was a little bit above average at 75. Nice. 71 is our normal. And 85, the record set back in 2013. Well, no rainfall to report today. A few light rain showers were recorded earlier into central Florida as some of that moisture works its way in from the Atlantic all the way over. Still pretty warm in Miami, 72 degrees, 10 degrees cooler in Orlando right now, and then much cooler into Tallahassee at 47 degrees there. Temperatures in the mid-50s inland, into the low 60s right near the coast. The Gulf of Mexico water temperature now at 64. The forecast looks like this. The hourly forecast will start off around 60. We'll warm up to 70 by 10 and into the upper 70s by 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll start off pretty nice, but quickly get up close to 80 degrees, and a few more clouds will come in the afternoon and evening, bringing with it a slight chance for a few passing showers. Well, there's a one storm exiting off the northeast United States and into the Great Lakes region. You can see some snow falling into the upper part of Michigan right there, and mainly rain, though, from Toronto through Buffalo. Typically this time of year, you'll be getting a lot of snowfall, but temperatures are extremely warm throughout this region for this area. And then as you move out west, another storm system bringing some heavy snowfall into the Sierra Nevada range, where they've already had up to 80 inches of snow in just the last 48 hours near Reno, just to the west there near, again, Lake Tahoe. Weather warnings and advisories are out all the way from Colorado stretching to California tonight. And there's that cold I mentioned. Look at the contrast in temperatures now. 70 degrees or near that in St. Louis. And just to the west down I-70, it's 24 degrees in Kansas City. That warm, moist air overriding that colder air. You're going to see that freezing rain problem all throughout that region as a result of this cold air spreading southward. And this is the forecast over the next couple of days. That Arctic air does spill southward. So although it's warm now in Buffalo and also into West Virginia, it's going to get much colder than that over the upcoming days as that cold air slides to the south and east, but not here. It's going to stay well to the north of us. Light chop on the bays and inland waters. Seas running 2 feet or less out there. And the water temperature now at 64 degrees. And the upcoming tides for Sarasota Bay. Low tide will be at 725 and a high at 157 tomorrow afternoon. Mostly fair, mild, 56 for your low tomorrow. A little bit of cloudiness in the afternoon, but not bad. 78, east winds 5 to 10. The extended forecast is calling for mild to warm conditions all the way through Wednesday of next week. And the long range suggesting even after that, still into the upper 70s to low 80s.